practice for our cooking, like in pad thai, in papaya salad. So good. We'll go inside, yeah? Green tiny bean, mung bean, is the bean that made the sprout, bean sprout, yeah? Today, glass noodle or vermicelli, we will use in our spring roll. In here, outside is yellow, but inside white. You know, just make it colorful. It's from turmeric shop. This size of chili, you find them in Asian shop in your country. Not this one, more of this one. Could be green, could be red. But it will be written on the package, Thai chili. When you say that Thai chili, that means spicy. ขอบคุณค่ะ In English, you see this leaf? It looks like a sawtooth. You see the shape? We call it sawtooth coriander. If you're from America, you call this cilantro. Yeah, you do. It's another species of coriander. That's why you didn't like it so much. Korean, it seems like Korean and everything is Thai food, yeah. Innocent. And after you enjoy your drink, right? I think we get boosted up, so we're gonna go to the garden. We have a small garden beside the house, so we can pick up ingredients. You hear this butterfly pea flower that I make drink for you? We have it here, we have it over there, right? So, butterfly pea flower, I'm a flower woman today. And those yellow flower, you see that, Marigold? Yeah. That we're gonna cut later when we make our, we'll cut in the afternoon before we make the Krathong, the float. We have flour here and there, so you can decide your own, but I will show you how to make it. And this is a chives, garlic chives. I have more prepared chives for us. We don't need to, but I will cut some. This one, it like to sawtooth coriander, remember? Yeah. We have it here. It like to grow in the shade. I have a lot here, and please feel free. And you walk down there, it's inside the big bed over there. And between those beds, those, it look like this. It's called holy basil. I would like. Okay. You got everything? Yes. I think you got everything. You two very good. You have full basket. Yeah. We work together. All right. Marisol, you need to pick up the mince for the beef salads.
How much do I need of all the things? Do I need more?
Oh yeah, that's so little. Look, this is a holy basil.
Oh, give me some more.
Yeah, we have a lot.
I'm cooking the holy basil.
You have to pick it yourself. Good. When you do it, try to get the sugar. You see?
Okay.
Use a spoon. You see a lot of sugar in here. The sugar helps to cut off the saltiness, you know, from the oyster sauce and soya. And we don't use MSG. That organic raw sugar will help to balance the flavor. That looks wonderful. Last one in and you're done. Yeah, turn it off. Up, please. Hey, the egg is beyond you and I. Good job. Now we're gonna save it. So now we flip them. Yeah? And you flip the other side. And then you throw the last group in. Yeah. But it's so tasty.
Yeah, it looks good.
Garlic chili chicken.
Do we need to put more?
No, I'm gonna save the first thing. Garlic chili chicken, bean root, basil pork. That's it.